Coloring competition. It was a Sunday and Mummy was cleaning Gattu Chinky's room. Gattu Chinky was sitting in the living room and watching TV.
Oh, Gattu Chinky never cleaned their table properly. There is so much dust over here.
Mummy starts picking up Gattu Chinky's books and keeping them aside when she sees a new coloring book kept by Gattu Chinky.
Hey, Gattu Chinky, come here quickly.
Hearing Mummy's voice, both of them come to their room.
Yes, Mummy, what happened? Why did you call us? Our favorite cartoon show was going on.
That's enough, kids. You both have been watching TV since morning. It's Sunday. It doesn't mean that you will just keep watching TV. But Mummy, what else can we do?
Yes, Mummy, we are getting very bored.
Yes, kids. That is why I called you here. Look at this. I found these new coloring books among your books.
Gattu Chinky get excited on seeing that coloring book.
Oh yes, Mummy, we bought this coloring book a long time ago. And it is kept as it is till now. We had totally forgotten about it.
Really? Then take this. Now both of you color it. At least you will do something productive with this. This is better than watching TV.
Okay, Mummy.
Then suddenly the doorbell rings and Gattu and Chinky run and open the door. All their friends, Hari, Bunty and Goody were standing outside.
Gattu Chinky, we were getting very bored at home. So we thought why not meet you and go play something? Friends, you have come at the right time. See what Mummy found while cleaning. Wow, coloring books. Wow, coloring books. Yes, friends. First you all come inside, then we will tell you.
All the friends come inside and sit on the mats in the living room.
So what should we do now? I think we should have a coloring competition now. We can also take out the pages of these coloring books. And in the end, the one whose color is the best will be the winner.
Oh wow, this is a very good idea, Gattu.
But we all have not bought colors. Hey, don't worry, Bunty. Wait here. I am coming soon.
Chinky quickly goes to her room and picks up a box. There were lots of crayons and pencil colors kept inside the box.
As soon as I count till 3, we all will quickly pick up our colors. And whatever colors we pick up, we will have to color our entire page with them. Then the competition will become more difficult. Great idea, Chinky.
Puntun Kids Games!
Chinky, Puntun Kids Games has been launched now. Wow, I also want to play now. Hurry up and go to Play Store and download Puntun Kids Games. I'm also downloading it. You also download it quickly and start the fun. Link is in the description.
Then Chinky puts that box on the mat and starts counting.
1, 2, 3, go!
All the children quickly take out their colors. Gattu took out the brightest colors like red, orange and yellow out of them. Hari took the dullest colors by mistake like grey, brown and cream.
Arey, what is this? See, Chinky, how dull all my colors are. Can we take out the colors again?
No, this would be cheating, Hari. Yes, Hari. But if you want, you can do a lot of good things with these colors. Okay now, Hari, Goody and Bunty, you all select your respective pages for coloring and take them out and keep them with you. There are so many different pages in this book with so many beautiful drawings. I like this page with the car. The car will look very good with my dark colors. And I will take this flower garden.
Okay, then I want this building one.
Chinky takes out everyone's page respectively and gives it to them. She takes out a solar system page for herself and a cartoon page for Gattu. Now everyone has their own colors and coloring pages.
Okay then, we have only 1 hour. We have to complete our coloring page in that time. Okay? Ready, friends?
Okay, Chinky.
All the children start coloring. Gattu had all the brightest colors, but he was not able to color within the line. His color was going out of the line again and again.
Oh no, why am I unable to do this? My coloring page will be completely ruined.
Just then Mummy comes there with juice and snacks. And seeing Gattu complaining like this, she tells him,
Gattu, you're coloring in a lot of hurry and that is why it is going out of the line. If you do it calmly, then this will not happen. Look at Chinky and the other children. Their color is not going out at all.
On Mummy's saying, Gattu starts looking at the other friends and Chinky very carefully. Actually, everyone was doing their work very carefully. And no one's coloring was going wrong.
Okay, Mummy. Now I will also color very carefully and will not be in a hurry at all.
Very good, Gattu. Kids, all of you eat snacks too. Don't forget.
Okay, Auntie. Thank you for the snacks.
Then Mummy starts looking at the coloring pages of other kids too. And she slowly leaves from there. After 1 hour, everyone's coloring pages were complete.
Time over. Now let's all pick up our pages and take them to Mummy. She is going to decide who is the winner. Yes, that is a good idea. Let's go to Auntie.
All the children pick up their drawings and go to Mummy in her room.
Come kids, come. What happened?
Mummy, now you only decide whose coloring is the best.
Okay, show me.
Then Mummy starts looking at everyone's coloring pages one by one.
It is really very difficult to decide whose coloring is the best. Because kids, you all have done it very well.
But Auntie, you will have to decide on one because there is always only one winner. Yes, Hari is absolutely right, Mummy.
Okay. Then I am going to select a winner right now.
All the children were impatiently waiting to know the winner.
Okay, so the winner is Hari.
Everyone is surprised on hearing Hari's name. Everyone thought that Hari cannot be the winner because he had selected the dullest colors in the beginning.
What? Am I the winner? Really, Auntie?
Yes, Hari. Because in the beginning you had selected all dull colors by mistake. But then you wisely selected such a coloring page in which only dull colors could work. And look how well and carefully you have colored. That is why you are the winner today.
Hari gets very happy after hearing this from Mummy.
Wow, it means I am the winner. Yay! Congrats, Hari. Bring it, Hari. Show me your coloring too. Yes, me too.
Yes, here friends, see.
Then everyone together watches Hari's coloring and also enjoys snacks. In this way, their Sunday is filled with a lot of creativity.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.